Ginninderry is a 1,600 hectare cross-border residential development situated out in West Belconnen. Ginninderry is dedicated to improving the educational, social and economic outcomes for residents across the capital region. The SPARK programs is one way that we do this. On every program we do, we hear stories from our participants about how the trajectory of their lives and their families' lives are changed due to their experience on SPARK.
I oversee all of the training programs that are conducted here through Master Builders, and we're the training partner on the Women in Civil program. It's an area that we need to attract more people to, and women are a largely untapped market, and we want to encourage more to join.
The MBA wants to see far more women working in our industry, and this is a great collaboration between SPARK and the MBA and all of our civil contractor members.
So with Ginninderry and the MBA working towards getting more women in the civil sector. We've got so many different pathways through this sector. We've got female project engineer and project manager on this job as well.
For the program, I was a chef. I was just very intrigued on watching different suburbs get developed, on how it all started.
I just thought that this would be a good stepping stone into the industry and hopefully lead to bigger things.
We have taken SPARK people on in the past, which have become full Huon employees through this program.
I went through SPARK as well 3 years ago, and I ended up with a job with Canberra Contractors. That's who I was assigned to.
Last year I did the hospitality program with SPARK, and that's how I found out from Rach and Mel.
I heard about the program from my brother first off. He was in the MBA, and then I saw a flyer. Instantly I rang you guys that same day, and yeah, you said come in for an induction.
People get to see what the industry's all about. They can participate and learn at the same time.
Gives you a different outlook on what's going on. You go, why do you do this? Why does that happen? Makes me think.
Collaborating with the MBA and the SPARK program, it's really good for building the skills up of the next generation coming through.
Guideline is amazing. Charlie, our buddy, and Rob are amazing. They make sure you're okay.
Sam's been going really good outside. She likes to get her hands dirty and give it a go, and she always comes with a big bright smile on her face.
I've been doing my placement through Canberra Contractors. I've been doing a bit of landscaping, subsoils, water pipes.
The program, as we see it, is part theory, part site placement. The skills and the knowledge that they've been able to take on board and then come to site with has definitely been invaluable.
You're learning everything from the ground up. I've had to go in some rollers, and we've been laying drainage work.
We just did some excavation work, and I experienced how to do waterproofing and did some surveying work.
We drove over there and we were like just putting the power webbing, like rolling it up and then fixing all like the fences around the trenches.
Charlie's been working with Sam on the backhoe, locating and fixing up some underground services, street lights and stuff.
I would have never done it if there wasn't like a placement option. There's no point being in the classroom. I grew up around trades. So on-site's been brilliant. Miller from MBA has been great. We've had constant contact with her.
Undoubtedly the benefits of being involved in the SPARK program is the wraparound support.
It's good to see that you guys are providing the stepping stone for women and the opportunity for them, and giving them the tools, a licence, helping them get to work if they don't have a driver's licence.
That's really helpful because it's expensive, and being, like a new migrant over here, I do need like a new licence. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but I think learning new things is what keeps me going.
At the MBA, it's been really good. John's been amazing. They've helped us get our asbestos, silica training and white card.
Rach, she's been giving me support. She's honestly one of the most supportive people that I have met, and so is Mel. This year's been a bit of a rough year for me, so it's been good having these ladies with me to help me out.
I really enjoy getting to know each and every candidate and helping them with any challenges that they may have.
Miller and Rachel, they've been really kind and understanding, especially when it comes to my daughter. You get a lot of help in every aspect, and you guys do a lot for mental health too, which is quite amazing to see, the yoga and all that.
The support we get from Rachel and Mel with all our PPE and that's been a huge help, like with the expense of all that.
My goals after this is maybe continue this, and I'm planning to study about Australian construction since I really love working in construction. I am forever grateful with SPARK since they give us this kind of opportunity.
I would love to venture more into this industry and definitely
keep working up.
This program was made possible thanks to the JobTrainer funding, which is a joint initiative of the ACT and Australian Government.
Communication and collaboration leads to better outcomes for everybody.
These programs would not be possible without our amazing stakeholders. So this year I'd like to thank the Master Builders Association ACT and all of our amazing civil contractors who have offered work experience to all of our participants.
The work placements makes this experience so much more rewarding. Ladies, congratulations. You have done an incredible job.
This has been a big commitment of time and effort on your behalf.
On behalf of Ginninderry, I'd like to congratulate all of our participants. We wish you all the very best for the future.